Hey guys, so in previous video we saw how to handle multiple inheritance in case we have two different interfaces but have same method signature by using default keyword. So that will get inherited to the implementation class like left right class, and we have to do this. One way is also there when you want to have it, because right now we can either write dot super or this one or the class own implementation method. Or one thing you can do, instead of, if you want like both implementation from left side, from right class, and from own method as well, so you can do this as well, like right dot super dot m1 plus left dot super dot 1. It's also a one more solution, again totally depends upon requirement. So if you want to keep all implementation like current class implementation, like and implementation from right side, implementation from left side, this was possible. And if I run this code this time, I should uh, get all three lines. So m1 from left right class, then method from right interface, method from left interface. So this is one more way of keeping things intact, and something I cleared here as well. Like you can pause this video and connect these things with the color code. Okay, so that's one more way of doing this thing. So next topic is static methods, right? Static methods. So what is static method, how it works, and what kind of requirement is there. So basically we use this static methods once we have some kind of utility kind of stuff. Mostly in Java language, whenever we are about to create any static methods, we are thinking about we should have a kind of a utility requirement, something which is quite common and can be used multiple times. So this is quite not that common like having static methods, but yeah, from Java onwards you can have static methods as well in your interface. So how it works? So if I go for the static methods, so what it says, Java 8 introduced this feature in contain static method, which are method that can be called on interface itself rather than on instance, right? Once something is static, you don't need to create its instance. You can directly call that method with the class reference. And these static methods can be useful for providing utility methods or default implementation for methods in function interfaces. Again, they're kind of a difference. I'll explain later, like difference between static methods and default methods. But for now, we can have static methods as well, and they don't need instance. It's from static keyword. And to declare a static method in interface in Java 8, you can use the following syntax. Let's suppose there's a custom interface, some static method is there. This is a static method, and how you can call it? Just class name dot method name, and that's it. That's how it looks like. So static methods in interface can be called using interface name without the need to create an instance of a class that implements the interface, right? So you don't need to do that, just call the class, sorry, interface name and the method, and it's done. So that's the overview of having static method, what's the purpose of having static method, and how you can call it. So in the next video we will write example to understand more, to having some more clarity on it. So stay tuned guys, let's meet next video. Bye bye.